Three gorgeous ladies from one municipality in one stage, but only one lady wears the title. Hail to the new queen of Bangued, Miss Sydney Mei Pilotin of Barangay Lubong. Manipati glamour can grand stage, wearing the sweetest smile, with posture and poise, full of confidence ang nagpayama mo dahil kita lupulo ang kandidata ti Miss Bangued 2026.
Masters Marie Bosque Antanan 25 Kabulwan!
Ad-ada at imporpay ti pintas ken emma dagiti kandidata iti long gown competition. But not your typical gown competition, this time, bida ti traditional hand-woven textile ti ABRA, ti ABRA. Alpasan ti corporate awarding, manipod 30 candidates, napili ti top 10 semi-finalist. Kandidata manipod Kabuluan, Zone 3, Lubong, Zone 7, Patukanay, Bangbangar, Sawatan, Lipkan, Makarkaramay ken Zone 6, ti imabante ti kompetisyon. Naman pa'y may salaeng ti mabigbig ang Miss Bangued, ti panakisalip dagiti talupulo a kandidata ket mangipaneknek anang abakdan gaputit kumpiyansada anang ibagi ti barangay da.
Bangued has a rich heritage of resilience and unity, and that is embodied in all our candidates. To our candidates, tonight you are already winners. You have inspired many people with your courage to step forward and grow and to shine. May the next Miss Bangued 2026 carry not only the title but also the great responsibility as the ambassador of goodwill, culture, and positive change that Bangued has embarked upon.
Manipod top 10 finalist napili dagiti Barangay Lubong, Kabuluan, Zone 6, Patukanay ken Sawatan kas Magical 5. May sa asaludsod tinaited kadagiti 5 para iti may sa atitulo ken naikat 45 a segundo a sumungbat.
What single action should the new administration prioritize today to ensure long-term progress for Bangued?
Gapo ti pamati, anong may kan prioridad ang mapagbalin a tipker iti administrasyon iti ili? Agserbi daytoy atulbek para iti long-term progress iti Bangued.
One single action should the new administration prioritize today is a strong administration. Because just like me, as a woman of strength, strength is not developed in comfort. It is forged in responsibility. Growing up under the guidance of my grandparents, I have learned to stand independently, to make decisions with courage, and to endure challenges with resilience. Facing hardships taught me that setbacks are not signals to stop. They are motivations to grow. So I believe we need a strong administration to make Bangued and a progreso a Bangued.
Nabigbig ni Sydney Mei Pilotin manipod Barangay Lubong kasbaro ang Miss Bangued 2026.
Actually, it's my third time and napagasatan na ko na yun dati nga taon. Inoray ko dati nga taon and sobrang proud na because I made it this year. It's emotions pero more than happy and thankful. Thank you to sponsors, especially kani Kong Ching Bernos, kani JB Bernos, syempre ni Mayor Cardenas, kani Vice Mayor Alan Shares, SB members. Dagiti dumapay nga nag-sponsor sa ako, dagiti special awards me.
First runner-up ti Barangay Kabuluan ani John Trice Marie Andanan. Second runner-up ti Zone 6 nga in-presentar ni Visha Villamor. Third runner-up ni Rachel Valeros manipod Sawatan. Ken fourth runner-up ni Maria Clarina Jewel Bubita manipod Barangay Patukanay. tinabalaygian na Miss Bangued 2026 ket babaen ti tulong na Congressman J.B. Bernos ken Congresswoman Ching Bernos ti Solid North Party List. Ti Miss Bangued 2026 apal sa ti Washington Bangued Town Fiesta ti kaunaan na panagpiesta iti ili iti babaen ti administrasyon ni Mayor Pup Cardenas ket nang sarming ti panagkaykaysada iti umili para tinaprogreso nga ili ti Bangued. Jessica Boreta, Balitang, Solid North.